In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and shop on AliExpress with ease. AliExpress is a popular online retail service based in China that's owned by the Alibaba Group, often remarked for its vast selection of products at competitive prices. It's an excellent platform for finding everything from electronics to fashion, with goods from manufacturers all around the world. So, let's get started and explore how you can enhance your online shopping experience using AliExpress. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the AliExpress website. You'll notice a well-organized homepage filled with various product categories ranging from technology to home decor and fashion. AliExpress offers a user-friendly interface, but to enhance your shopping experience, it's crucial to utilize some basic features effectively. If you know exactly what you're looking for, go ahead and type the product name into the search bar located prominently at the top of the page. This search bar is your gateway to accessing millions of products, so don't hesitate to use it to refine your queries as specifically as possible for targeted results. Now, once you've entered your search term, you'll see a list of products that match your criteria. It's wise to take a moment to scroll through and see the diversity of what's available. This is the perfect time to compare products based on price, customer reviews, and seller ratings. Each product on AliExpress comes with a detailed page that offers extensive information, including high-definition images, specifications, and reviews from previous buyers. Make sure to read through these reviews as they're invaluable for gauging the quality and authenticity of the product. After you've settled on a product that fits your requirements, you have a couple of options. If you are confident and ready to make the purchase immediately, you can select Buy Now, which will take you directly to the checkout process. However, if you're still considering your options or perhaps would like to shop for a few other items simultaneously, select Add to Cart. This allows you to keep track of desired items and batch them together for a more streamlined purchase process later on. With your chosen items securely added to your cart or purchased outright, congratulations are in order. You've just completed shopping on AliExpress. If you opted to place items in your cart, remember to review your selections once more before proceeding to checkout. This is a great way to ensure you didn't miss anything and to review your total spending. There you have it, a hassle-free and hopefully enjoyable way to shop online via AliExpress. Whether it's finding a unique gadget or the latest fashion trend, by following these steps, you're well on your way to discovering a whole new world of products. Happy shopping!